Compressing the internal spring in a motorcycle fork can be an awkward job, but the laser fork spring compressor makes it straightforward. First, assemble the collar to the preload tube, then attach the main shaft of the clamp. Operate the clamp to compress the spring. The top fixing and lock nut are now easily accessible, letting you dismantle the fork and remove the internal components. Another time saver from Laser Tools.